Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore what will be the trade setup for tomorrow for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Let's start off with the Nifty. Today, Nifty started with a downtrend and then slowly it picked up and then it reached a peak. Then it retraced and then it ended at near the resistance level. You see this large red area. This is a strong resistance area on the upside. And then we have a mini support zone around 18140 levels. Let's explore both these areas for understanding what would happen tomorrow. As you see, the market has closed close to this red zone, and then any sort of up movement will be sold off, and then we can expect some sort of down. And today, if you have played by this zone, you would have got some couple of trading opportunities. Like whenever the market reached around this level, you could have initiated a PE position and then booked some profits around this level and then took a CE position and then made some profits. Although it looks very simple to analyze post market, we can actually do this if you understand what's happening over long time. So if you see this red zone, this is from the past where the fall actually started in on December 22nd time, and then market retraced and then reached high. Again, it got sold off from this level. Now the Nifty is entering close to this range once again. So maybe it might, want to break this level off and then take it higher. Or if it fails to do that, we can expect a strong reversal and then it can fall till 140 ranges. So this is the scenario. And tomorrow, what will happen? We have seen that most of the Wednesdays been writers' day. We can expect Nifty to be playing around this range, the higher end of it, which is 18,313, and the lower frame would be like 18,140. So this would be the play range for tomorrow according to our analysis. And we have also mapped the Fibonacci anchor suppress points for Bank Nifty, and the levels look like this. The T1 starts at 18,273, and there is a strong level of resistance at 308, 360, 435 is where you find the maximum resistance, and then you can expect resistance till 18,598. This is on the higher side. And on the lower side, you can expect some sort of support at 18,196, followed by 18,161, and a very strong support at 18,110. And then it goes till 17,899. That's the lower edge of downtrend. But can Nifty be going to these levels? Absolutely not. Tomorrow the play would be somewhere at T4 levels on both the sides, which is about 18,069 to 18,435. So this would be the range, and we also have verified here almost like you see this is a T3 range and this is again a T3 range. So both sides it is T3 by graph, but by FASP levels it is at T4 ranges, which is at 18,400 and 18,069. So that is for the trade setup for Nifty. It's going to be a range bound day. So for writers, writing down at T4 levels on both the sides is a good idea. And whenever the market reaches T3 levels, you can comfortably initiate a PE position. And when it reaches T3 level at the lower side, you can initiate the CE position. So this is all the update for Nifty. Let's explore Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty, I'll pull in the chart. Bank Nifty had similar patterns. In fact, it was extremely stuck in a range and very difficult for option buyers today because there was not much movement. All were like single candles, and then it was consolidating. So there was a single candle move and then it was consolidating. So there was not many buying opportunities. Still, I was able to get some good money from taking PE positions around this level. All because I have mapped this red zone, which you can um, see here. Yesterday I have drawn this. Uh, so this level was perfectly, respected. Whenever the Bank Nifty tried reaching this red zone, it started coming down. So I was initiating some PE positions and then booking some profits. Again, as it ended, I took some positions and then booked some profit. So likewise, I played a couple of times and made some decent money. Um, for tomorrow, what we can expect? Like Nifty, Bank Nifty is also at a red zone where there will be a lot of selling pressure. And if you zoom in and check, um, let me go to this chart. Uh, yeah, here. Here you can see that there is a strong level of resistance starting from 18,419 to 18,633. That's about 200 points where you will find maximum resistance. Why there is a maximum resistance? This is a long-term, this blue line is a long-term trend line. And then this is again another trend line, and this is one more trend line from the shorter durations. All these are converging at T1 levels, which is why the market was not able to go above T1 level. So it kept coming down. Now, if at all Bank Nifty want to make an up move, it has to sustain above 43,630. Only then you can expect further up move. Otherwise, that's going to be a reversal point, and then Bank Nifty will undergo some sort of correction. So if it has to continue with the uptrend, it has to clear this red zone in the coming days, most likely this expiry. And what can be the trade setup? We have also mapped the FASP levels. As you can see, you can, whenever the market is giving up a gap up at T3 or T4 levels, you can take PE position, and then T5 can be the stop loss, and you can target every level like T3, T2, and so on till the pivot. You can take targets. On the lower side, if it is opening at T3 here, maybe you can take some sort of C position, and then again pivot would be the target. Tomorrow, again being considering it to be a writer's day, we can expect the range for tomorrow should be somewhere between, I would say, T4 to T3, or this range, I would say. So that would be 43,200 to 43,600. That would be the range for Bank Nifty tomorrow, and you can very well play both directions as it is going to be a writer's day. In case if it is going to trend, it has to show a lot of momentum and break this level and sustain above and keep making new highs every hour. In that case, it's going to be a trending day. You can exit your positions, keeping T4 as stop loss. And on the downside, you can see that breaking of T4 would be very critical for any continuation on the downside, because there is a strong support at T5. And if this also breaks, then it's going to be a bigger correction. So the trade setup is very clear. If you're a writer, write both sides T4 positions and wait for the premium collection throughout the day. If you're a buyer, then you can just wait for the market to reach the extremes, most preferably at T3 levels. You can initiate reverse position. At T3 upper side, you can initiate PE, and T3 lower side, you can initiate C. So play within this levels, guys, and it's going to be a very fruitful day. Wish you all success and all the very best. Thanks.